Hi, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta, the #1 Atlanta activity on TripAdvisor. We would love to host you soon on one of our amazing food or history walking tours. But in the meantime, let's delve into the best ways to honor Black History Month right here in Atlanta. Each February, Black History Month celebrates the achievements, ingenuity, and excellence of Black people. And this is also a time to share about and hold space for the inequities that have existed throughout Black history as well as today. So to get started, let's head to the Apex Museum in the historic Auburn Avenue neighborhood downtown. Founded in 1978, the Apex Museum interprets and presents history from an African American perspective. The museum's goal is to help visitors understand and appreciate the many contributions of African American people to the U.S. and to the world. With rotating quarterly exhibits, there's always something new to see and learn here. And the Apex Museum also hosts community events and celebrations, so head over to their website to get more details. Another great way to honor Black History Month in Atlanta: attend the largest celebration of African American History Month in the Southeast. I'm talking about the Black History Month Parade. It's an Atlanta tradition every year, and the fun starts right here at Hurt Park. And it goes for over a mile into Centennial Olympic Park. Now, at this Black History Month Parade, you will find entertainment and fun for the whole family. You'll be celebrating along with marching bands, entertainers, dignitaries, civic groups, nonprofits, celebrities, companies, and artists. At this parade, everyone will come together for a lively and meaningful occasion. Of course, our favorite way to honor Black History Month is learning about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s life and the Civil Rights Movement right here in Atlanta. During Unexpected Atlanta's King Historic District Tour, you'll get an up-close look at the places that inspired Dr. King's life and legacy. It's led by an expert guide who will answer all of your questions and take you deeper into the history of the Civil Rights Movement. On the King Historic District Tour, you'll see Dr. King's birth home, his office in Prince Hall Grand Lodge, and historic Ebenezer Baptist Church. You'll even be able to pay your respects at Dr. and Mrs. King's memorials. Along the way, you can hear immersive stories about Black history while seeing amazing views of the Atlanta skyline and a very unique look at Atlanta's historic neighborhoods. So hey, join us and see why this tour was named by Condé Nast as one of the 16 best things to do in Atlanta. And for even more ways to learn about Atlanta's history, food, and culture, visit unexpectedatlanta.com. And be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you can stay in the know as we explore our city. We'll see you there.